Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking your iPhone 16 and opening the phone app because voicemail lives there. Tap the voicemail tab in the lower right to enter voicemail settings. Once done, make sure your cellular service and voicemail box are active. Without them, you can't record. If prompted, enter your voicemail password or set one now. This step gets you directly into the greeting options so you can record or choose a new greeting without extra navigation. Next, tap Greeting to reveal the choices. On iPhone 16, it may appear at the top of the voicemail screen. You'll see Default and Custom. Pick Custom to record your own message. Press the red Record button, speak clearly, then hit Stop when finished. Make sure to play back the recording to confirm volume and clarity. If it sounds too soft, record again slightly closer to the mic. Choosing Default restores carrier message instantly if you want to revert. Finally, tap Save to apply the greeting, and then hang up or exit the phone app to let the change propagate. Make a test call from another device to confirm callers hear the updated greeting. If the greeting fails to save or you hear the old message, restart your iPhone and try again, because a reboot often clears temporary glitches. If problems persist, check voicemail activation with your carrier or reset network settings. That resolves most deeper voicemail issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.